In sponge printing activity, we use a circle shaped sponge and dip in different colors and paste it on scrapbook. First of all, we will dip the circle shaped sponge in yellow color. Then we dip a sponge in blue color, and in the next we dip it in red color. We dip in different colors and pasted different circles, and you can see at the end which thing we are making. At the end we paste green color, and in the front we pasted a black circle by using sponge, and you can see it's a beautiful caterpillar. We make a caterpillar by using a sponge activity, and we want to write that is a sponge printing, and kid insisted that I want to write, so it enhances also the writing ability. So I suggested, okay, you can write it, and you see it's looking so good, and she like writing. So here we go, it's a sponge printing, and you see the final form of sponge printing, that is a caterpillar, a beautiful